traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, September 9th, and this is my recap of the top videos of the day. And the Euro US dollar came in number one today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you didn't see my full top down analysis on the Euro dollar from this morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So we got a little bit of a bounce on the euro dollar. The higher time frames, I do think that the trend is down. It looks like we are about to break structure, which to me really only proves that this last section of trend is down, pretty much the impulsive that we had today. So I put my Fibonacci retracement on there, and I would actually be watching very, very closely these Fibonacci levels, especially if we get three waves up. I would expect to see it go up to a fib level, probably make some sort of an ABC correction. Looking for a fib bounce, nice and golfing move to the downside is exactly what I would be looking for more entries to go short for the continuation of the downtrend. That is, unless it goes up and breaks the 100% level, at that point I would definitely switch up and start looking for buys in an uptrend again. So anyways, tomorrow is a little bit light on the news calendar. We got a little bit of pound news at first thing in the morning. Climate counts, it probably will do a little bit to the pound pair, so definitely keep an eye on that because you have the average earnings also at the same time. So probably going to be a little bit of movement in the pound pairs tomorrow morning, 7 a.m. London time. And then besides that, we got somebody speaking in Canada, which, anytime somebody talks, it could possibly do something. So keep an eye on the Canadian pairs. Not really much for the US dollar, but we do have CPI on Wednesday, so it's going to be a big day on Wednesday for the dollar pairs. So anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord channel. It's linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.